Scientific explanation of eclipse. All of us know that Earth's atmosphere acts as a security blanket for the living organisms present on the living on the Earth. Earth's atmosphere is also like a multi-layered cake. It consists of 5 major layers. Troposphere. It extends up to 12 kilometers. Stratosphere. It consists of ozone layer and it extends up to 50 kilometers. Then mesosphere, 50 to 80 kilometers. Thermosphere, 80 to 700 kilometers above the Earth. Then exosphere, 700 to 10,000 kilometers. But there is another layer with distorted shape of the sphere. Misnomer actually it is. It is called as magnetosphere because Earth is a magnet, acts as a magnetic dipole. It is also covered with the magnetic sphere. But this is why it is not like a sphere. Its shape is different. That is because of the solar wind. Continuously solar wind, that is the charged particles emanating, coming out of the sun are in a plasma state and they carry electromagnetic radiations. Not only the light radiations but solar wind also. And this solar wind makes it compress this day side part of the Earth atmosphere, that is the magnetosphere range, not the inside of that. So it appears the day side of the Earth facing the sun, this magnetosphere appears as like a small head, and in the opposite side of the Earth, that is night side of it, this magnetosphere stretches like a long tail. So it appears like the head of the Rahu and the tail part of the snake of, that is Ketu, as told by our ancestors. Thus our atmosphere protects the life on the earth to maintain the order in the normal conditions. But during the eclipse, as the visible rays of the sun or moon are blocked by the shadow, the power or intensity of the invisible radiations that are coming from the sun that will penetrate the atmosphere, and it may cause random changes at micro level and also at nano level of the living cells. And so it affects the growth of the plants and behavior of the animals and mood of the people in and out of ordinary conditions like this. So the most vulnerable systems are fetus growing in the womb and cooked food, then human digestive system. They are more prone to the undesired or unwanted changes of these extraordinary condition. So what is established by the scientific experiments like this magnetosphere, it is in the shape of this small head, and opposite side of the earth it is a long tail. They exactly match the description given by our sages about the Rahu and Ketu. So we can also take our sages' advice to be careful for the pregnant ladies to not to undergo any undesirable changes. So don't be exposed to these radiations. And then our digestion system also should be clear That's why eat before 3 hours before the start of the eclipse. They say don't take any water also or any food also. And if it is for small children and old people, it's okay. But in general, these are the guidelines given. Even the crops output also will be affected because it will impact the plant's growth. So these are the observations yet to be established or done by the research in a scientific manner. So I think this explanation covers the scientific aspect as well as our traditional aspects. How do you feel about this? Please comment, and if you like, please share and discuss with others. Thanks for watching.